Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain a question in Heron's formula. A triangle and parallelogram have the same base and the same area. If the sides of the triangle are 26 centimeters, 28 centimeters, 30 centimeters, and the parallelogram stands on the base 28 centimeters, find the height of the parallelogram. Yes, in the parallelogram, as they have mentioned, parallelogram stands on the base 28 centimeters. So this base is 28 centimeters. As we know, in the parallelogram opposite sides are equal. Even this side is 28 centimeters. I'll mention it as A, B, C, D. And they gave, and this is C, E. DE equal to 30 centimeters and EC is equal to 26 centimeters. So first we will find the area of triangle DEC. Area of triangle DEC. As we know, in the Heron's formula, first we should find the S. S is equals to 1 by 2 into A plus B plus C. That is 1 by 2 into 30 plus 26 plus 28 is equals to 1 by 2 into, if we add this, we will get 84. And by cancellation we get 42. 42 is equals to S. Then area is equals to root over S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. That is root over 42 into 42 minus 30 into 42 minus 26 into 42 minus 28. By subtracting this, we will get 42 into 42 minus 30 is 12 into 42 minus 26 is 16 into 42 minus 28 is 14 bracket. And to find the root of this, I will convert it into simpler numbers. Like 42 I am writing it as 6 into 7, 12 as 6 into 2, 16 as 16 and 7 into 2. I left 16 as it is because 16 is a perfect square and we can find the root of it. So as there are 2 6, we can take it out of the root. 6 into and 2 7s into 7 and 2 2s into 2, root over 16. By solving 6 into 7 into 2, we get 84 into root 16 is 4. 84 into 4 is equal to 336 centimeter square. We got the area of the triangle DEC. Now area of the triangle equal to area of the parallelogram, as they have mentioned here. A triangle and parallelogram have the same base and the same area. So area of triangle equal to the area of parallelogram. As we got here, area of triangle is equals to 336 centimeter square is equals to, formula to find area of parallelogram is equals to base into height. We know that base is 28 centimeters here, so 336 is equals to 28 h. Then height is equals to 336 by 28. 1s are and 12s are. Height is equals to 12 centimeters. As there was, what is the height of the parallelogram? We have got height of the parallelogram is equals to 12h. Thank you.